You know, when I was a student, when I wanted to become a car designer, social media was a little bit more different. It was more social, let's put it this way. I got a lot of valuable feedback from other professional designers. Sometimes they were even taking my sketch and developing it and sending it back to me with an explanation. That was great. Like, I got a lot of value from that kind of community. It was a community. But today when I go to Instagram, sometimes I see very nice works. I like it. I follow the person. But then I scroll and there is totally random video about my hobbies or about, you know, a funny video, and I get distracted and I see, like, it is kind of sad. You put a lot of hours to your work. You want to learn some specific skill. You want to get a feedback. You upload your work and nobody even sees it. So it's not like a social place anymore. And that's why I wanted to build this community. You can share your works. You can ask questions related to anything from specific skills like sketching, Blender, Viscom, Photoshop, or if it's a mental situation, like if you feel frustrated, if you don't know where your project is going, like if you cannot solve a specific problem on Blender, whatever, you can share these things and we're gonna help each other. You will not be alone. That's the whole point. I will be there too. I will share my work too. And actually there will be exclusive content inside. Like every month I'm gonna do a studio session, which will be only in this community. And we can also have live sessions. That it can be a Q&A, it can be a specific tutorial. We can shape it together. We are a private car design community. This excites me so much. And hopefully while growing together as car designers, we're gonna make some friends inside. We're gonna have special connections. So if you have a passion for car design, which I'm sure you have, and if you are a nice person, you know, nobody likes to hang out with some annoying people. So that's one of the requirements. You need to be positive inside. Of course, you can give structured feedback, constructive feedback, but nobody is better than other one. Like, okay, you might be more experienced, but the goal here is to support each other, to grow together as a team. So if you're a beginner, you don't worry at all. You ask any question you have in mind, even if it's very basic, very simple, you will be able to ask these questions. And if you're advanced, you're gonna support each other. We are not here to prove that, oh, I'm better. It's not the point. Is to support each other, grow together as a community. I think you got the point. I'm really excited to see you. So welcome to Car Design Community.